Want to bulk delete all apps from your iPhone home screen? Here's how to do it. This will remove apps from the home screen. It will not delete them from your iPhone. First, go to your home screen. Press and hold any app. Wait until the apps start to jiggle. Now, keep holding that app with one finger. With another finger, tap other apps you want to remove. They will stack together. Keep tapping to select multiple apps quickly. Once selected, swipe to the right with your holding finger. Go to the app library. Release your finger. All selected apps will disappear from the home screen. They are now only in the app library. Repeat this on each home screen page. This is the fastest way to clear multiple apps at once. If you want to delete apps completely instead, tap the minus icon. Then choose Delete App. Confirm the deletion. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.